much my lunch, late lunch I would say. So basically we took all the leftovers that I could put my hands on. So there is carrots, two NANTAISE carrots that I sliced, not sliced, but I thinly sliced with the thing that you use to take out the I don't remember the word. Then I have Italian parsley. On the top I have some shallots, and I have a little bit of more of a quarter of red lentils, and I also have one clementine, so there's those small oranges, and mixed up with about a tablespoon or so, a tablespoon and a half of mayo, and a little bit of mustard, and a can of tuna, but those small cans of tuna. So this is pretty much what I found in my fridge, and I really enjoy making salads like this with leftovers. It's pretty good. And then we have French bread. It's not the healthiest because it's not whole wheat, but everything else is pretty much healthy. So see you next time.